Hey guys, so you know that crispy smashed potato trend? Well, what about crispy smashed Brussels sprouts? Spray a baking sheet with cooking spray, then microwave your steamable Brussels sprouts in the microwave and pour them out onto the baking sheet. Using a fork, you're going to smash the Brussels sprouts until they are nice and flat, and they are going to release a little bit of water, but that's totally fine. Drizzle them with some olive oil and sprinkle with salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and make sure that you mix them up. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees and place the baking sheet into the oven and cook for 15 minutes on one side, 15 minutes on the other side, and then flip. They're going to be so crispy, such a great snack or appetizer. You can also do them in the air fryer. So position them right into the air fryer, place the lid on, and you're going to do 10 minutes at 400 degrees, flip them, and then do another 10 minutes. They're so good, guys. You have to try it. Go to recipehippie.com